Signaling storms and the diameter network solution. Diameter signaling traffic is constantly created over 3G and LTE networks. Diameter is the signaling language that is used to authenticate and authorize subscribers onto the network. It is also the language that policy servers, charging systems and mobility management functions use to communicate with each other. Anytime a device is connected to the network, there is diameter signaling. Authentication and authorization needs to happen every time a device is turned on, roams onto another network, or accesses services. Techelec's intelligent mobile broadband solutions enable service providers to manage and monetize mobile data. These intelligent solutions include the diameter signaling router, which is the central nervous system of the new diameter network. It manages signaling messages, performs load balancing to avoid signaling overloads, and provides a secure interconnection to other networks. The policy server is the brain of the new diameter network. It defines and manages the rules for mobile data services. Subscriber data management is the memory of the new diameter network. It consolidates subscriber data into a single view to allow service providers to deliver personalized services to subscribers. Signaling Storm 1, the device launch. The launch of a new smart device is a highly anticipated event and a significant market opportunity for service providers. Even with good planning, a rush of new device registrations can overwhelm the network. Users may also attempt to download applications or update software to their new devices. This can cause a signaling storm and, in the worst case, a loss of network services. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Users turn on their devices to access the network and data services. Under normal conditions, diameter signaling traffic flows through the Mobility Management Entity, or MME, to the Home Subscriber Server, or HSS, for authentication. The MME receives a high volume of attach requests and queries the HSS for authentication. The large number of simultaneous queries overwhelms the HSS with diameter signals and shuts it down. Signaling messages are then deflected to the next HSS, which also becomes overloaded and shuts down. This cycle can repeat itself until a complete outage occurs. In some cases, such network outages can last for days. The costs of a network outage can be staggering when you consider service calls, compensation, and customer churn. 175,000 calls to customer service at $20 per call adds up to $3.5 million. Compensation such as service rebates and fines can add up to another $10 million. A fast network patch can also cost $5 million. A 1% increase in customer churn can cost $3.5 million to replace lost customers. Add it up, and you're looking at a $22 million event. A negative service experience isn't quickly forgotten by subscribers either. Damage to your brand and reputation can be huge. By implementing the new diameter network, you can ensure your network will be able to handle signaling traffic spikes caused by new device launches or software upgrades. Signaling Storm 2, the huge event. Major events with large numbers of people can also strain network capacity and cause signaling storms. A fantastic goal can trigger a high percentage of event attendees to use their mobile devices at the same time. Signaling storms at major events can lead to other complications, including sharing negative mobile service experiences due to poor network performance. This situation is different from an outage caused by network maintenance because the trigger here is too many subscribers accessing the network at the same time in a concentrated area. Under normal conditions, signaling messages come in with a service request. The MME routes the messages to the application server. The application server then checks with the online charging system to make sure the subscriber has credit in their prepaid plan. With a sudden flurry of subscriber activity, multiple application servers try to check the online charging system at the same time and can flood it with signaling messages. When a dense crowd of people overwhelms a local network, the biggest cost is lost opportunity from communication, photo and video sharing, and other services. This can cost you hundreds of thousands in lost revenues from one event, and these estimates don't even count the loss your brand can experience from poor service at a popular event. The new Diameter network intelligently manages signalling and data traffic, so no matter what is happening in the world of sports or entertainment, your network can handle the unexpected traffic loads. Techilec, for what's next.